Hi all, let's see HTML headings in this video. To display title or subtitle in a web page, we can use HTML headings. We can define HTML headings with H1, H2, H3 till H6 tags. H1 headings mostly used to display main heading or title in web pages, and H2, H3 elements used to display subheadings or title in web pages, and H4, H5, H6 elements used to display lower level headings. Browser will show H1 headings in bigger font size, and H2 size is lesser than H1, and H3 size is lesser than H2, and so on. So H1 representing the highest level of importance and H6 the lowest. Let's go back to our HTML file and see practically. In our HTML file, just added heading and dummy paragraph to each heading levels. Let's check it in browser. And this is the output of this HTML file. H1 headings will be used for main or important headings. H2, H3 for subheadings. H4, H5, H6 for lower level headings. So we have to use headings properly in web pages so that user can navigate efficiently through the content and find relevant sections without reading everything in order. Because search engines like Google, Bing uses headings to understand how content is organized in a page. Properly structured headings help search engines to identify key topics and keywords. In our next video, we will see HTML paragraphs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.